how to write one infinite loop in Scala. So let us see one demonstration using Scala coding and its execution. So here follows the demonstration.
Sometimes in our code we need to generate some infinite looping. So how to generate that such infinite looping in our Scala code? So here is the example for us. Say var a is equal to 10. So a is the variable which has got the value of 10, that means of the integer type. So now while true, so in this while construct within this body, we are having a single statement to print the value of a. We can also put other statements if I require to do so, but this true is actually nothing but the boolean type of data, boolean type of value. So as a result of that, when this value will be true, and true itself will remain true, so each and every time the condition will remain true, so it will form an infinite loop and go on printing the value of a for infinite duration of time. So in this way, it is a very simple code. Using the same type of code, we can also do the same in case of other programming languages. So in Scala, we can make this infinite looping available using this while true. We can do this one. Also, you can go for do and while true also. So that is another construct. So let me execute my code. You see, it is going on printing the value of a as 10 here. So I'm just making a break. So here what we are doing, we're just making this one as, we're just putting this one, and here we're putting this while also. So now in this case also it will form an infinite loop and go on printing the value of a as 10. So in this particular demonstration, we have shown you that how to construct infinite looping in our Scala coding. Thanks for watching this video.